Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. It's day 7 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and we've got another great prize for you today. But before I get to this, if professional athletes can get athlete's foot, what do Santa's helpers get? Mistletoe. On the 7th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new 4K webcam from our friends at TOALLIN. That's right, it's a beautiful webcam. You can use this with any computer. You plug it into your computer and boom, you've got 4K video. Not only that, it's got a 4 microphone array built in that has noise cancellation. It's got background noise cancellation. It can pick up audio up to 5 meters away from the camera, and it's got speakers built in. So plug this into your computer and you're gonna look amazing on your next video conference. It's the perfect camera if you've got to work from home, if you want to make short videos and reviews and things like that. This is the camera to use, and we're giving it away as part of this contest. I love this camera. I've used it a long time. We actually have 2 of them that we use here in the shop, and they're just fantastic. Oh, by the way, it's got a privacy screen on it, so when you don't want people peeking through your camera, just put that little window down there or that little shade down and it blocks the camera completely. So wonderful product. Single USB cable to your computer is all you need. There's no drivers to install or any of that nonsense. It just works really well, and everything you need to get started is included with the kit. Now, to enter the contest, it could not be simpler. If you look down below, you'll find a link. If you click that link, it'll ask for your email address and your YouTube username. Put both of those in there and hit enter. We get a notice that you've entered the contest. Now, every day is different. So today's contest for day 7 is different than the previous 6. And by the way, if you haven't entered those, go back and enter those contests because there's some cool stuff there. But enter today's contest. After 7 days, what we'll do is look through all the entries. We won't look through the entries. We'll sort of blindly pull an entry out and say, we got a winner. And we'll send you an email. And then you'll get, bing, you'll get an email in your inbox, and you look at that and go, hey, we won the camera. Let's send them our address. Send us your address. We'll put this in a box. We'll ship it directly to you. And I say this every time. There's nothing needed from you. We basically put it in a box and ship it to you free of charge. There's no shenanigans. There's no strings attached. We don't ask for anything. So it's a really easy contest to win. And I don't care where in the world you live. You could live in a little town called Left Hand, West Virginia. Now, I have a good friend who's a lefty, and he's told me my entire life how bad it is to be a lefty, and I'm a righty, and we kind of, we're kind of the majority, so everything's designed for a right-hand person. I can't imagine going to this town where everything is designed for left-handed people. It's going to drive me crazy, but it sounds like a pretty cool place, and it would be a good lesson for me to go there and see how left-handed people live, and I'm sure that that town has done some diabolical things to drive righties crazy, so maybe I'll head over there to Left Hand, West Virginia and check it out. Anyway, I think it's a great name for a town. You could live there, and if you do, good for you. Hopefully you're a lefty, but if you don't, it's okay. We'll ship it anywhere in the world. I don't care where you live. So enter the contest. It's a really cool prize, incredibly easy to use. It's got a 1/4" 20 on the bottom. It's got a little hanger on it where you can put it on your monitor, right on the top of your monitor. So it's everything you need in a modern webcam at 4K. And believe me, it's going to make those videos that you're doing online when you're talking to people on a conference, they're going to go, you know, Rick, did you lose some weight or something? Because boy, you look good. You really look good. It's the camera. It's not you. You can eat all you want over the holidays. You're still going to look great. Anyway, that's all I really had for today. So enter the contest. Now again, we have 5 more coming. And these 5 are going to be incredibly cool. I'm very, very excited about some of these that are coming up. It's absolutely going to be amazing when you see what we're giving away in these last 5 contests. So stay tuned to the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button because you don't want to miss these contests. Plus, we have so much content coming next year on all kinds of high-tech gear. A lot of drone stuff coming I can't talk about. And a ton of other high-tech gear. So this is the place you want to be if you want to learn about technology or you're just interested in things that run on electrons. We're happy to talk about it. So thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for the next 5, and until next time, as always, happy flying.